I might have just done the stupidest thing in my life. What is up, everybody? Truly Samuel here, back with another video. And today I am going to show you guys how I might have done one of the most stupidest things I've ever done in my lifetime. I have invested in 100 Operation Broken Fan cases at the price of 0.44 euros. Now that comes to 44 euros in total, but I don't think it was my smartest thing yet. Still, I do have faith in this investments. I mean, don't look at the starting at 0.43 because there's like two people that are selling it. It then goes like it's already up by 2 cents. My original price where I bought it, yep, around down here. If we go for weekly, we can see that the price really moves. This was when it was confirmed that there was going to be no operation sale, and right here was when the new case hit. Now it's kept it pretty steady. This is not steady. This is not steady. But if we look at this day only, I mean, go right here. As you can see, keeps pretty nice price. Pretty nice price. Goes up to 46. And according to my calculations, if the price goes up to 0.5, if I'm scared enough, I can also sell all of these and just, be safe, get my money back and pull out. But I'm not going to do that. Like, I think it was yesterday, I bought one AK slate with a buy order. I was doing it, I was just to show my friends like how good a buy order could be. I bought it for like 14 euros and then I sold it immediately in the same day, like in an hour, for 14.55. So I got 55 profit after tax. And it was just to show that how easy you can make profit. And then I have, if we go to my inventory here, I also have, oh my god, I just can't see these cases. I have two of the AK-47 Empresses field tested. Oh, their price has fallen. Fuck me, bro. I bought them both for 30 euros. I'm pretty sure the price is going to go up. Yeah, because like it always does. As you can see right here, it's pretty wild how these prices go. I bought them both for 30, but then looking at it when I bought it later in the day, I found out that I did a big mistake because I could have gotten it for cheaper, but my lazy ass didn't want to wait. But anyway, I made some profit with the AK-47 slate. I went up to 44 euros, 44.33 I think. And then I decided to buy 100 Operation Broken Fan cases. I'm scared. I really am. Like, if the price doesn't go up, and I'm scared it's only going to go down, because as soon as the price goes higher, all the guys that are hiding, like I have my friends as well that are holding on to like 50, 100 cases that have them in their inventory. Just knowing my friends, which are, they're not investors, they only got them from the operation. Just knowing that they're holding, to imagine how many people are holding, I feel like the quantity can go over 1 million. And if it surpasses 1 million, it's not even worth it at that point. I'm pretty sure the price is going to fucking plummet. But I don't think that even if people are holding, they're going to sell lower for 0.37, something like that. Because at that price, after tax, you don't lose the money. I mean, if you do a bit of calculations here, you sell them for, I don't know, how much is it times 1.15? It's 0.43, yes, something like that. 0.43 Gets you 0.37 per case times 50 cases, 18.5 euros. They paid, I think, where I'm from at least, you had to pay 12.75 per operation, so it was 5.75 profit. I'm talking about the lowest. If you're going to go for less than 5 euros profit, I mean, hats off to you, bro. I don't know what you're doing with your life. You don't do that. I made a lot of profit out of the operation. I had like 4 of them, I gotta admit. On my main account, I had cases. On another account, I had skins, which was pretty shitty. I barely broke even with that. On another one, I got stickers, the recall stickers. I got a lot of golds. And on another one, I got stickers again, made a little bit of profit, but not enough. And I just wanted to say that next operations come, just trust me, invest in the cases, don't invest in the stickers, the characters, or the skins, because they're never going to be worth it. But yeah, anyway, right now, I'm scared that my whole balance is going to plummet. I know that in investing, there's ups and downs. And I'm pretty sure that this is going to make me money. But what I'm scared of is myself as well, because if I see the price say go 0.51 cents, I'm going to be like, that's €1 profit. I'm not going to do that. I'm kidding, obviously, but I'm expecting it. If it goes to 0.7, I mean 0.7 is like 0.60. I bought them for 44. That's 0.16 per case. That's 16 euros profit, like net profit. So I might do that, but I don't know, man. I'm pretty scared of what's going to happen with the case. Pretty sure it's going to go up as soon as the hype dies down for the new case. It's not a great case, I gotta say, bro. It's a pretty shitty case. And if you're thinking about investing, don't. I wanted to hold on the slate. I wanted to hold on it, but then I remembered that it was a new weapon, and there were only going to be more of it, and the price would go down. So as soon as I saw that I could make a little bit of money, or even make my money back, I was happy that I could sell it, so I sold it straight away. It was a field tested, by the way. And yeah, right now you can make like little pieces and bits here and there with a new case, but it's not about investing right now. I mean, 6,000 for sale, started at 3.18. Nah, it is not worth it. It is not worth it, in my opinion, at all. The price is only going to go down. I assure you about that. As you can see, these guys that put buy orders, I'm also sad about them because they're probably going to lose money, because it's a case that will only, get more. I mean, even though people will open them, most of them will hold, thinking that it's going to make them a lot of money. But if everybody has the same mindset, nobody's going to make money. I mean, if everybody, say, go to community market, because this is what happened with the Operation Broken Fan case. That is why there are so many cases and so many more hidden in inventories. Now, if anybody decided that, hey, I'm going to open this new case, it really wouldn't matter. I mean, what? He would open, I don't know, 10, 20. But just to think that for opening 10, you gotta spend at least 25 euros. Just thinking about that. And when you think about it, you have an 80% chance of getting a blue. That means an 80% chance of a loss. Why would anybody get them? So this is why I'm scared about this investment. It's a good one. But because of the quantity of the case, I'm scared that the price is going to drop a lot. So I just made this video to show that how I fucked up. Or maybe God will help and I'll make a lot of money, but you never know. If you guys want to get on this, do not buy them for 0.46. Trust me, just put buy orders at 0.43 or 0.42. They will get filled in a day. Don't worry about that. And yeah, I'm just hoping the price goes up right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subs. That'd be really cool if we hit it. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.